Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the concept of thermodynamics and different types of thermodynamic systems, as considering the proper type of system is important for predicting and understanding the behavior of the system and its interactions with the environment. Thermodynamics is the study of the relationships between heat, work, temperature, and energy. The word thermodynamics consists of two parts, thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat or energy, and dynamic means transfer of heat or energy. Therefore, this branch of science describes how the energy in a system transforms and whether the system can do useful work on its surroundings. There are four fundamental laws in thermodynamics that explain how the energy in a system changes, that we will study them in next videos. Before talking about these laws, we need to understand the concept of a system in thermodynamics and its various types. A thermodynamic system is a body of matter or defined area in space that is separate from its surroundings, and we focus on that. In other words, this system is a part of the world that is selected for the direct study of thermodynamic properties. The region outside the system is called the surroundings, and the surface that separates the system and the surroundings is called the boundary. Thermodynamic systems are classified into three types based on how they interact with their surroundings: open system and closed system, isolated system. An open system can exchange both energy and matter with its surroundings. Its open boundary allows the transfer of both energy and mass across it. For example, consider a container without a lid filled with water. As we said, in an open system, mass, or in general, matter, can flow into or out of the system. In a container filled with water with an open lid, oxygen can easily enter or leave the system. The same situation can happen for energy, such as thermal or less light energy. So, an open thermodynamic system can exchange matter and energy with the surroundings. A closed system can exchange energy as heat and work with its surroundings, but cannot exchange matter or mass. This type of system has a closed boundary. So, energy transfer is possible, but mass cannot transfer. For example, consider a container of water with a closed lid. Since the container is sealed, oxygen, gas, and air, or anything else, cannot enter the closed system. Also, the water molecules in the container cannot get out of it, but energy can be transferred into or out of the container by heating or cooling it, or by using the gas to do work like powering pneumatic tools. So the thermodynamically closed system is not insulated against heat. An isolated system does not exchange either energy or matter with its surroundings. It is completely self-contained and isolated from its surroundings. It has walls that do not allow the transfer of any type of energy and entirely reflect all forms of radiation, so no energy or matter crosses its boundary. For example, think of a high-quality, perfectly insulated thermos flask with no holes filled with hot water. When you close the lid, the water remains at a constant temperature for a long time because there's no heat exchange with the surroundings. Also, no water spills out and no air enters or escapes. Here, the thermos acts as an isolated system because it does not exchange energy or matter. Okay, let's review what we learned in this video. There are three types of thermodynamic systems: open system, closed system, isolated system. In open thermodynamic systems, matter and energy can enter and leave the system. In closed thermodynamic systems, matter cannot enter or leave the system, but energy can. In isolated thermodynamic systems, energy and matter cannot enter or leave the system. As seen in the table above, in open and closed systems, in addition to the fact that heat can enter or leave the system or the surrounding environment can do work on the surrounding environment or the system respectively. We came to the end of this video. I hope that this video has provided valuable insights and expanded your knowledge.